Hello my friends, my name is Marcos Sarris. I am CEO of GoLedger, a company that is specialized on blockchain development. Today we are going to show how to register or modify an asset information on a Hyperledger Fabric blockchain network using CC-Tools library. In this demonstration, we're going to show methods Put and PutNew that kind of wraps the default Hyperledger Fabric SDK method PutState. First, we're going to use in a custom transaction the method PutNew, and after that, we are going to change the chain code for the method Put and see how it works. In the CC-Tools demo repository, we do have a custom transaction that is called CreateNewLivrary that receives just one argument, name of type string, and it uses the method PutNew to create a new asset. Right now I am at the demonstration code here. This is the library definition, and it just have three properties. The first one is the primary key, that's the name, and it is of type string. Only the MSP tree can write or modify it. And then we do have a second property that's an array of references of the asset book. And then we have a private collection here, type secret. But we will only work with the primary key right here to make our video today. And right now we have the custom assets that's CreateNewLivrary that actually it's a post method that's called from our tree, and it receives an argument of type name, of type string. The argument is the name, and actually just prepare the assets to be created right here using the new asset function from CC-Tools, and after that calling the method PutNew to create a new asset on the Hyperledger Fabric blockchain network. The method PutNew provides some validations, especially around the asset property data types, but it also refuses to create a new asset if it finds another asset with the same primary key on the chain. I already have my Hyperledger Fabric blockchain deployed on my machine, and let's use the GoLedger web app to execute the CreateNewLivrary transaction. I can find it here, and it receives a name. Okay, so I call it, and so it called the custom transaction, and the library has just been created, as we can see right here. Now let's call the same transaction with the same argument, CreateNewLivrary with national library, but let's go from the command line. I'm going to copy the core command here, and let's go there and copy with the same information, and we receive this error here. That's error saving assets on blockchain asset already exists because the PutNew method checks if is there already another asset with the same primary key, as we used the same name, so it gives us this error right here, just as we can see at this error wrapping here, error saving asset on blockchain. So let's change the argument that we have. Instead of using national library, let's insert local library. Okay, and then the asset has just been created. We can see if we list the libraries right now, we can see we do have a national library, and we also have a local library right here. For the last part of this video, we're going to change some details on the asset. For an example, I'm going to add another property that's not mandatory. Let's call the address. Oh, sorry, address. Okay, label address, and no writing credential here. Okay, and we're going to also change the custom assets, the custom transaction. Let's add another argument. Let's say we're going to add the address argument here, okay, so as a required information, and then we are going to receive them, the address properties, the address argument here, and then we're going to add to the library map. All right. Okay. And we're going to change the PutNew. We are going to use, instead of PutNew, we're going to use only put. That allows us to overwrite the asset information if it may, even if it already has another primary key on the channel. For us to upgrade the chaincodes that we have deployed on the local machine, let's first check for the syntax of Go. It's okay. And then we are going to use the script upgrade CC. Our chain code is on version 0.1. We are going to upgrade to version 0.2. As soon as finish, we will use the new chain code to check this new transaction. Okay, finish. So let's check how it goes. We need to reset the web app so it receives the correct information about the new transaction. So we can see right now I can use I will provide 2 arguments for the transaction. That first of all, let's say it's the name. Let's call again local library, and after that let's call the address is São Paulo. Okay, we just committed. Let's see how it goes. Right now we do have this information about the local library and São Paulo. The address of local library is São Paulo. If you want to see the ledger, all the history of the information, we can call this endpoint right here and see all the information and all the timestamps and the MSP that signed the transaction that we can see right here, and we can also call it from the command line, and we are going to do it right now, so we can see all the steps for each asset, including from the older versions of the chain code and the newest one. So that's it. I hope you all liked the video. For those who like it, please consider subscribing.